Hi, I'm Keith and welcome to Phat Baking. Today we're going to make butterscotch pudding cookies. Come on over. Hey everybody, welcome to Phat Baking. Today we are going to make butterscotch pudding cookies. Really simple. You need a cup of butter, a cup of brown sugar, a cup of white sugar, 2.5 cups of flour, a package of butterscotch pudding, 2 cups of butterscotch chips, a teaspoon of vanilla, a dash of salt for taste, and 3 eggs. Now, if you want a crusty or a hard bottom, just spray the bottom of the pan. Otherwise, use your parchment paper. Parchment paper will make the bottom of the cookies nice and fluffy. So just preheat the oven for 350 and give them 10 minutes. And let's see what we have. Crucial element is a teaspoon of baking soda. That's what makes the cookie rise. Okay, so you put everything, you mix it together, and then you put little balls about 2 inches apart on the parchment paper. Let's see what happens. Okay, I gave it another couple of minutes until they were golden brown, so I gave it a total of 12 minutes. Look at these babies. Just put them on a wire rack for a couple of minutes to dry, good with ice cream and caramel or butterscotch sauce. Enjoy.